Hello friend, welcome to Study IT YouTube channel in data science tutorial video series. In this video, I am going to discuss the real challenges of the data scientist. So what is the data scientist, the real challenges face in the day-to-day life? So I will provide the complete detail of the what challenges they facing, what challenges a data scientist facing into the daily life in the if you working in the data scientist. So some of the challenges data scientists face in the real world, which is are the data quality. Data quality doesn't confirm the set of the standards. The second one is the data integration is a complex task, and the third one is data is distributed into the large cluster in HDFS, which is difficult to integrate analyze because the in the data scientist they really they working on the real time data, and the enormous data are processed by using the Hadoop or HDFS cluster. So for the data scientist this is very tough work to analyze the data because the data are the into the different cluster, and the data is distributed into the different cluster, and the last but not least the unstructured and semi-structured data are harder to analyze. So if the data are in the form of the unstructured data, or the data are the form in the semi-structured data, so for if the data is a structured data, then very easy to analyze the data because the data scientists need to give the cleansing of the data. We need to first cleansing, and then we need to process the data. So if the data is the unstructured data and the data is a semi-structured data, like if the data is generating from the Twitter, if you working for the if you any for the product, for the analyzing of the customer review, you collecting the data from the Twitter, you collecting from data from the Facebook, and so all these type of the data are coming in the unstructured data. For the any of the data scientists, they need to provide the meaningful for the product is a very big task, because for the unstructured data we cannot assume the what type of the data generating from the sources in the Facebook or the LinkedIn or the Twitter. So this is the way, this is the basic challenge faced by the any data scientist into the in the live environment if you working as a data scientist. So I will provide the more video for the data science part, and the after few video I will start the programming with the practically, and after practically done I will provide the some project for the Python also. So keep watching my video. I already uploaded the sixth part of the video, so don't forget to watch all entire previous video, because this is a very useful information for the if you want to learn the data science. So thank you for watching this video, and please subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you so much.